How to download songs on Spotify. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download songs on Spotify so you can listen offline whenever you are flying, communicating, or just saving data. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Spotify app on your phone. And once you have opened it, simply find the playlist, album, or the podcast that you want to download. Now here, once you are on the playlist page, simply look for the download icon. It's a small arrow pointing down. So just tap on it, and once you tap on that, Spotify will begin downloading the songs to your device. As you can see, I haven't enabled the Spotify Premium on my account, but if you have enabled it, you should be able to download it. Now, once you have downloaded the track, you are ready, and now you can listen to these songs offline. No Wi Fi or data is needed for that. And that's it. That's how you can download music on Spotify. But keep in mind that you need Spotify Premium account to use the download feature. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.